Hey guys, so the next job on my Harley is the lights that go just below the speedometer, you know, those five little lights, the indicators and the oil and so forth. Mine are incredibly dull. I cleaned up the inside and they were still dull. So I think that's pretty standard for these bikes. They use a 12 volt filament globe and they don't last very long, these globes, especially with the vibration through the bike. Um, and also, they are not bright at all. A 1.5 watt globe doesn't give a lot of light, especially if it's a resistance type globe. So I decided to change it for 12 volt LED lights. Now you can buy them, you can import them, and we can't buy them locally, as far as I know. But I could have imported them. The problem is, by the time customs have decided whether or not they want to steal it or not, the post office also has a chance to see if they want to steal it. And by the time you get it 6 months down the line, so it's much easier just to make your own. It is very easy making LED lights for a bike. All you need is a current limiting resistor. For a 12 volt system with white LEDs, it works out to about 330 ohms, 350 ohms, somewhere around there. I put on 330 ohms because that's what I had lying around. And you just solder it onto the one side, and then you just need to insulate the left and the right hand side and make sure that they don't touch. And then I put a little bit of shrink wrap over the two terminals and then folded it over itself, and you pretty much have the exact same configuration as you had before. Now, here's the thing. When you put them on the bike, how do I show you whether that's better or not, right? I can tell you it's better, but who knows? So the best way to show you is to put on the hazards, and the left-hand side has got the LED and the right-hand side has got the standard, and you can clearly see the difference. I mean, the LED shines a lot brighter. Here's another picture of the standard ones for the middle three globes, and then when you take the LED ones for the middle three globes and you put them next to each other, you can see what a massive difference it makes. Yeah, so this is one of the cooler things that I've done with my bike, playing with electronics. I hope if you guys haven't already changed to LED, you would consider making your own. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.